Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video and tuning in, especially after such a long time of me not posting or uploading anything. I owe you an apology and I'm sorry, but you know what? It's all behind us. We're back. We're better than ever. Let's move forward, okay? Today I thought that instead of a makeup tutorial, I'll talk a little bit about myself and this channel, what it is about, and basically letting you know a little bit who is this crazy person you're listening to. So let's go. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dana. I'm a makeup artist currently living in Texas, though I'm originally from Israel. I'm happily married to Shai, my husband, for the past 4.5 years. Don't tell him, I didn't know. And we have Ofri, our daughter, that is just above 3 years old, and our son Guy, that just turned 18 months. We came here about 3 years ago following my husband's job, and yeah, you know, it was a very interesting journey so far. We initially thought that Israel, US, they're both, you know, democracies, developed Western countries. We thought, you know, the difference won't be that big, but it's very interesting, and I can talk about it in another video if that's something that you want to hear about. The next thing I want to talk about is basically my channel and me as a makeup artist, and to tell you that I love makeup very, very much. I love experimenting. I love working with models, photographers, clients, brides. I love learning new techniques and, you know, basically everything makeup related. But that wasn't always the case. I actually, just before we came here, I completed my PhD in biology, and though I was very, very satisfied and proud of myself that I finished it, you know, I have my diploma in my hand, basically to wipe my ass with, but I knew that I didn't want to step foot again in a lab. I was really frustrated. All that 4.5 years of my PhD, it was a very difficult time career-wise, and I decided that I'm looking for something else. I don't want to do this anymore. It's not for me. What else is there? I'm sure I can find something. But I didn't know, and you know, makeup was always in the back of my mind, though I rarely used makeup, and I don't think that I ever purchased makeup before I went to school of makeup. Once in a while when I went out, I probably just used, I don't know, 15 years old products that I stole from my mom when I was a teenager or something like that. But I always loved, you know, seeing editorial images of models, or, you know, even passing people on the street with interesting makeup, or, you know, cat eye, smoky look, whatever. I was always intrigued on how to achieve this look, and so it was always something there, though I never really confronted it, you know, never really explored that. But yeah, and then Shai and I got married, and there I am on my wedding day, and this wonderful makeup artist is doing my makeup and making me so happy and so content with the way I look that I figured, wow, that's a great job, you know. She's being a part of my important day, and probably tomorrow she'll be part of another person's, you know, important day, and that's great, you know. She made me happy. I mean, that's awesome. And yeah, so I figured, let's give it a try, and Shai was very supportive. I mean, we were both students, you know, not making much, and I went to this beauty school, and he was really supportive, and turns out I love it. I really enjoyed school. I loved doing makeup. I loved learning everything. And while still in school, I did a friend's makeup, just, you know, for fun. But I did it now, like, professionally, you know. I used the bronzer and contour and whatever. And she was so happy with the results. She was staring at the mirror, admiring herself. You know, oh, I look so great. It's so beautiful. I feel so nice. And I was like, you know, as happy as I was for her, I was also very, very satisfied, and I felt this inner joy that I helped her feel so good about herself. So yeah, that was the point where I said, yeah, I'm good here. I think I found it. I'm comfortable here. This is my place. You know, many times, I think 100% of the times that I tell people, oh, you're a makeup artist. Yeah, how long have you been doing that? Oh, that's not too long. What did you do before? And I tell them that, yeah, I'm also a biologist. I used to be working in a lab. I always get that weird look like, what? How come you're doing makeup? You used to do biology. Doesn't make any sense. And also another question that I get a lot is, you spent 10 years of your life achieving your PhD, completing it, and now you're doing makeup? It's like apples and oranges, right? Well, I'm pretty sure some of you, if not all of you, are wondering the same thing, so here I am to answer the question. Yes, apples and oranges are not to be compared, but that's it. That's exactly why I love doing makeup. You know, biology, I will always have a warm spot in my heart for biology. I would always be amazed by the human body, and I really love, you know, understanding mechanisms, cellular things, immune system. Oh my God, it's like the greatest machine ever existed. It's amazing. But studying it and research, I just don't have the thick skin that someone has to have for, you know, developing a drug or exploring new pathways, signaling, whatever. Don't believe everything you see on TV, NCIS and all that. Good shows, but bullshit. I mean, it's just not true. Everything in biology, every experiment, every question you ask requires so much pondering, thinking, calibration, planning. Sometimes more failures than anything else. 90% failures. That's basically the statistics, if not more. I was working for 2.5 years calibrating an experiment. Just calibrating how I should approach the question, you know, the biological question. Not even asking the question, just thinking how to ask it. And for 2.5 years, I was calibrating solutions and, oh my God, finding the right cell line. All of that just for me to find out after 2.5 years that I can't ask the question. And it's not like I asked the question and the answer was no. It was 2.5 years of me trying to figure out how to ask the question and found out that I can't ask it. I mean, so yeah, I just don't have the stomach for it. It's not for me. And now, you know, sometimes it would take me even a few months to learn or master a new technique, but it's a few months. It's not 2.5 years or more. So yeah, I'm in the right place. I love what I do, and this is the right way for me. And this is not to say that you shouldn't pursue a career in biology, not at all. I mean, I am happy that I spent and wasted these 10 years of my life. I wouldn't be here if I didn't do those mistakes, you know, that I don't think of as mistakes. I mean, I met my husband during my second year of my PhD. I mean, I wouldn't have known him if I didn't do that. And, you know, walk the walk, see what happens. Biology is great. Don't let me discourage you. So now about my channel. As the name suggests, it won't be only about makeup. Though sure, most of my videos will be makeup tutorials, demonstrations, techniques, whatever. A lot challenges. I have great ideas for challenges. But it won't be just about makeup. I don't know if you've noticed, love talking, and you're my captivated audience. And no, I'm kidding. I just think that this is a nice way to open, you know, a new form of communication, to talk about all sorts of things. If it's motherhood, for those of you who have kids, and if it's about, you know, being a foreign in a new country and talking about the differences between Israel or the US or wherever you are from, how it is to be, living far from your family and your core friends. Anything you want to talk about, basically just bring it on and we'll try address it. So this is an open channel for everybody to come in and participate. I'll be uploading 2 videos a week, and though I don't want to commit on exactly which days of the week I'll be uploading videos, I promise it will be twice a week. So stay tuned for any makeup related session or otherwise. To end this video, I just want to say thank you for the support, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. And yeah, if you like this video, if you like me, maybe, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, tell me what you think, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you soon. Love you.